مدينة بوسماعيل ولاية تيبازة. الله أكبر. وفيها ولاها ضربة فيها. الله أكبر. ربي لا فيك مليح. ربي لا راح.
مسح الله، يا ربي يبارك، يا ربي يبارك. ولأول مرة منذ تأسيس السد كما قلت لكم من قبل المياه تجتاح الحدود متوجهة مباشرة إلى
كيف شغال.
انتوا وين قوي ليك فيضان شريكي.
البيزا هذه غطاها يا
شي البيزا دي.
الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله. ربي يعوضك.
Flash flood information in Algeria today. It has rained since yesterday evening, Wednesday, causing rivers to overflow, causing flooding in many cities in Algeria on Thursday the 25th of May 2023. In the coastal state of Teibaza, which borders Algeria, the floods submerged many settlements as roads were swept away and cars were swept away, disrupting the city's traffic. The Ministry of Home Affairs confirmed the incident and stated that a number of houses, buildings and public facilities, especially schools, were also damaged and collapsed due to the Banjir Bandang, which mixed with high levels of mud inside. Several areas in West and East Algeria were also affected by flash floods which caused many roads to be closed and power outages, while residents were inundated, especially in the western part of the capital. Over the past 24 hours, Civil Protection recorded multiple interventions at the state level. Especially Algeria, Teibaza and Tibessa, East, in order to help and rescue people stranded due to high levels of rain and some rivers overflowing.